right, welcome to the second email. We're through your account and see exactly what you need to do. So once you've signed up, you got this email saying sign up for the launch. Once you sign up for the launch, your account has been automatically created. And now, once you've put in your name and details and whatnot, you got this welcome to OfferLab account email. And then you go click here, log into your dashboard now. You click on that. It's going to take you to your dashboard. It's going to walk you through a little bit of onboarding, asking you what are you doing? What kind of creator are you? E-commerce, digital product, course creator, consultant, coaching, influencer, service provider, event organizer, or something else. Let's say you sell one-on-one. Maybe you do that. Maybe you do other things. But let's say digital product or course creator. Let's say this one. All right. So I go next. And here, of course, tell the world what you do. I help people have a better life by teaching them how to get rid of suffering and enjoy life, and even having a good spell check there. All right, next. Now add your business details. Let's just say Eugen Popa is my business detail. Website, eugenpopa.com. Industry, let's say education. All right, finish. So now that you're inside of your account, you can see a few things. First of all, you can see that you can refer other people, and this is your referral link. You can copy this and then simply send it out to everybody. Let me just move this. And then you again here have a menu here with invite link, and here if you click on the invite link, you can have people to sign up for the launch, which is finishing today. So you can have pre-launch affiliate link or general referrals. So I'm guessing that after the launch is over, this is not going to be valid anymore, viewable anymore. So it's going to be this one. You can copy link, and then you can send it to people via SMS, WhatsApp, QR code, Facebook, email, and whatnot. So if you click on this, it's going to open up that platform, and you can put there your link and send it. So and 2% up to 2% lifetime. I'll cover this in a future video, which you can see also on the channel. So you have this, then you have sell. On sell here you have funnels, vault, and orders. Funnels, basically, if you have one product or more products, you can create a funnel, and these products can be your own products or other people's products, or mix your products and other people's products. And so when you have a funnel, you can it'll be listed here, and I'll do a video showing you how to create a funnel. When you click on vault, right, it takes you here where you have two tabs, your offers and your products. So let me explain what this very short. Products are the products that you have created product, but it's not ready to be offered. You just made it, it's in the back end, so to speak. When you create an offer, you can have the product that you've created, which you go here and you create a product, and then you can create an offer with your product. And then orders, of course, this is where you'll see who purchased what from you, and then you'll be able to fulfill those orders. Then further, if you go to marketplace, here you can see all of the offers which are right now in the marketplace. Where should I put this here? Okay, so you can see all of the offers which are now on the marketplace, and they also have some categories: explore, e-commerce, digital goods, course and coaching, and experiences. So if you go here, you can see the different courses which are already up on the website at this point. And you can go ahead and purchase that, or you can go ahead and request this to promote this particular product that you like. I'm going to come back to that in a future video. Of course, you also have community. If you click on community, it's going to take you to school.com OfferLab, which is where they have their main community. Then messages, here it's where you will get messages from people who want to promote your services, or from people whom you requested to sell their product, and they will accept or reject your request. So in the messages section here, like I said, you have a conversation with those who want to buy from you or those who want to sell your stuff. Insights, here you will see how much money you're making. You will see, you know, all of the available balance, total earnings, what is spending, what is to transit to the bank, and so on and so forth. Again, I'll do a separate video on this because we also need to have some money in here. And then here, profile. When you go to profile, it says my profile, and then this would be company name. So if you have a company, of course, you can go ahead and also upload an image if you want to. And this is basically where you can update all of the information. If you have a domain, a website, you can add your domain here. And you don't need to have a website to make sales. You can just leave this alone. For company, you go ahead and my awesome company. And then let's say I'm in Bucharest, so I'm going to put this and then update account. If you have team members, this is great because you can bring in team members and it's unlimited. At this point right now, you don't have to pay anything to bring in team members. And by bringing in team members, what you can actually do, you can outsource the work, so you don't have to do this all by yourself. Your team members, your VAs, whoever is doing this work for you, they can come in here and then they can, you know, they can do the work for you. So you can click on add teammate, email address, first name, last name, and then invite as member, which says can edit all resource on this team and allow others to do the same. Admin, team administrators can manage billing and manage special privileges for other users. So for instance, if you want to bring in a person just to create resources, you can do that. But they cannot create offers, they cannot create products. They can only manage what is already there. If you want to bring in somebody who can also create products, then you'll have to make them admin. And then integrations, here is where you can integrate with the existing platforms which are available here. You can also make a request to have a different platform that is not here now. Of course, they are constantly updating this and adding more and more integrations as we go along. Now, they launched this basically with the bare minimum just so they can, you know, which is a lot, if you ask me, a lot of bare minimum, which is like the most important integrations are here already. Webhooks, this is for people who want to automate all of the process of delivery. So let's say I'm selling a course or I'm selling a digital product. When somebody buys from me, I'll create a webhook, which is again a subject for a different video. So that when somebody purchases this, they will automatically get access to the course. And then for payments, you'll see you need to connect Stripe. So you need to connect a Stripe account. That means you need to have a company to be registered somehow, somewhere, because Stripe only works with companies. So if you want to make money with OfferLab, you need to register as a company. And then by going here, you connect Stripe. When you click on connect Stripe, it's going to open up your Stripe account, and then you will be able to connect. I'll make a separate video about how to do that, but it's pretty straightforward. You just click next, 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 and then you are done. So this is the profile. Then here you can have, of course, if you click on refer friends, it's going to take you to share invite link, which is the same menu which we had up here. Right here is the same thing, and I think that's all there is to it, to the dashboard for OfferLab. So it's a bit of a longer video, but I hope you got a lot of value from it. I will see you in the next video. I'll go into more details for each of the sections. See you in the next video.